All right. Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to day 5 of the Advanced Digital Marketing Trading by Carter's Digital Academy. So I'm going to share my screen. Welcome, everybody. And then I hope that you guys are having a great day ahead. And so far, you have learned a lot of technologies, a little bit about HTTPS and HTTP. And you also have understood how, how SSL certificates work, how it is installed. Okay, so we will show practical later when we do web development. Okay, and I hope that everybody has done a thorough research. If not thorough research, but at least have gone to Wikipedia and read a little bit about HTTPS. Correct? Everybody done that? Please say yes if you have done that. Okay, great. Attila has said yes. Okay, great. Okay, okay, great. Pushpa has said great. Wonderful, wonderful. So just give me 1 second. All right, so let's start today's class. Everybody can see my screen? Yes or no? Yep. Okay, great. So today we're going to start with carousel. Okay, have you ever heard of this word? Some people say carousel, some people say carousel. Okay, so we are not here for pronunciation class. We are here to understand what it means. It simply means a moving slide on a website. Okay, a moving slide. I'll show you quickly what is a carousel or carousel. Okay, so just give me 1 second. Let me share my screen. I'll give you an example of on Flipkart. Okay, all the e-commerce pretty much they use it on it, very prominently, and you'll be able to see it on almost all the shopping sites. Okay, can you see the site? This is the one. It says LG, big brand. Okay, the next one is low fare, Thiruvananthapuram to Malaysia, Oman is offer. Can you see that? This one which is automatically moving there's a slide, right? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. There are 8 pictures which are moving in a slide manner, right? That is called a carousel. Okay, or carousel, whatever. How do you say it, Attila? Carousel. How do you say it, Attila? You can unmute yourself and let us.
Oh, it's carousel.
Carousel. Okay, all right, perfect.
Yes.
Okay, all right. Okay. Some I've heard people saying carousel. Okay, so which is fine. I mean, as whatever they say, if you are able to understand, well and good. Okay, if you are unable to understand certain words, please ask. Thank you so much for letting me know, Attila. Um, so basically, carousel is something that moves the slide. It has a lot of pictures. You can. There's no limit to how many pictures you can put, right? So if in case the client says, "I want a carousel," um, and you need to put 200 pictures, okay, you must understand the more pictures that you put, okay, the less the more pictures that you put, the less it will be responsive, which means the page loading speed will increase. Okay, it will become quite slow. Okay, so we have to keep in mind. You have to tell the clients that see, we can put 200 pictures. That shouldn't be a problem, but it will not serve any purpose. Nobody's going to sit and watch 200 slides move, right? You have to keep it max to max 8 to 10 maximum. Okay, write down carousel should be maximum 8 to 10. That is a best practice. Okay, not more than that. And it should also have the latest offers, because that is one of the sales funnel technique that you're going to bring on the client's website or your own business website. Okay, because on the first landing page, if you put a carousel with offers with, let's say, 8 offers moving, okay, there are high chances that people will click either one, and then you will end up increasing your sales. Does it make sense? Everybody say yes if you have understood. Okay, great. So how many pictures you'll put? Client says, yeah, I want 200. How many you'll say? Okay. So how many you'll put, suggest? 8 to 10. Perfect. Okay. Everybody agrees? Perfect. Now, if you look at the screen, okay, if you look at the screen, do you see the carousel here? There is a there is a certain size. Can you see that? This is one image. See the orange one. Now it's come. There's a certain size to it, right? So you cannot put random sizes to these 8 or 10 pictures that you can upload as a carousel. Okay, everybody has to have the same dimension. Okay, keep in mind, same dimension, same length, breadth, width, whatever. Okay, same size, same pixel ratio. All right, fair enough. Keep that in mind. These are the best practices. 8 to 10 has to be exactly same size. Okay, and it has to be, we can put it in any format. The best format is PNG, okay, because it's very light. You can also put JPEG, okay, that shouldn't be a problem. Okay, if sometimes PNG quality is not good and JPEG render is good, fair enough, you can use JPEG, okay, JPG. Okay, okay, what are the three best practices? One, 8 to 10. I'm just writing it down here. Wait, I'll write down here. I will put maximum 8 to 10 pictures. Okay, after that I will make sure that the resolution is same, or resolution or picture size. Okay, in simple words, must be same. Okay, third is use light weight, uh-huh, lightweight pics like .png or .png is a lighter one. Okay, if not, you can use use .jpg. All right, clear, everybody? Please take a photograph of this, or please write it down, whatever works for you. Okay, once you're done, please let me know. If it's clear, type in yes. Okay, perfect. Perfect. Everybody, Aban, Nungti Senla, Pushpa, please type yes if it's clear. Yes, a big yes. No, whatever. Okay. Okay, let's move on to the next topic. Now, so carousel people will we will design. How to design, by the way? You have never used Photoshop. How will you design it? Okay, you can use design in Canva. Okay, you have never touched any designing or editing software. You can, I'm learning to, I didn't understand. I'm learning to type through lab. Okay, I'm not sure what that means, but then is it you are learning something, which is great. I mean, if you're learning something, you're learning to type through lab. Fair enough. If that is SSL certificate level of encryption, I didn't understand what that was. Do you want to unmute and you want to talk and let me know? I'll unmute everyone. You can unmute and you can say what exactly you want to say. Learning to type through laptop. So my answer will be slow. Ah, okay. I understand. Okay, fair enough, fair enough. That's okay. That's fine, perfectly fine. Because everybody might not have a same typing speed, so we always respect that. So that's completely fine. Okay, thank you so much for letting us know. It always goes on mute. Okay, by the way, what I would suggest everyone is, if in case you feel that you should learn or practice typing, okay, I have there is a free, I know a free software. Okay, you don't have to pay anything for that. It's called, I think it's typing tutor or something like that. Okay, I have the list. I have the link. I will share it with you. Okay, you can just use it online. If you don't have internet, that's fine. You can install it also. It's very light. Okay, it's very good. I request all my students to practice it because it's necessary. Okay. Okay. So what I was saying is, if in case you want to learn, if you have never learned Photoshop or any editing software, and you have client says, I want you to make carousel, you can use Canva. Okay. Now Canva has two versions, free plus, and the other one is pro. Okay. So free one should be do good. Okay. Now there's another one which is AI. Okay. You can use AI, which tool, where, I'll tell you all that when we do carousel designing. Okay, fair enough. Everybody clear? Just this is just for good for your knowledge, good to know stuff, right? If in case somebody tells you to design it, you will now be able to design it as well, right? Clear? Okay, great, perfect. Now let's go to move the next one, next topic. Okay, the next one is UI UX. Okay, just like HTTPS. Okay, it was a broader topic. UI UX is also a broader topic. Okay, but we will again cover it in a very simple example, and I'll tell you exactly how it is broken down into. Okay, UI UX. Okay, so I'm going to start the whiteboard. Okay, quickly, please tell me if you guys have heard of UI UX. Ever heard of it while I'm drawing? Atila has, great. No, Pushpa says no, wonderful. Arun says yes, she's heard of. Okay, great. Nunti Sanda, no. Okay, Arun says yes. Okay, perfect. Great. So we have like 50-50. Out of four people, two of them have heard, two of them have never heard. Right. So with those who have heard, it will be a refresher. Those who have not, it will be a great learning. Okay. So, all right. What do you think I'm making here, by the way? What does it look like? Anybody? Any guesses? A stove. Okay. Okay. Great. No, it is not an induction cooker or it's induction stove. No, it is not. Although I like that. Okay. It's, yeah, nice thinking, but it's not. Anybody else? Please, quick guess. Let's everybody get involved in this. Okay. Pushpa, what do you think it is? PUC size. Picture. Yeah, what picture? What do you think it is? What picture is this? Anything that comes to your mind. You know, what does it look like? Atila said it look like a stove. Dimensions. Okay, fine, fair enough. No, it is not yeah, it is dimensions actually. You know what? You're right. It is dimension, but it's not that dimension. It's not a wood board, a wood cutting board, or a trace paper. It's not that dimension. Okay, it's a different dimension. But you're very close. Aban, Nungti Sinla. Aban says no idea. Okay, but what does it look like? I mean, if does it look like a bus, a train, a stove, or anything? A computer, a motherboard. Okay, what about Nungti Sinla? What does it look like? Can't tell. Okay, no problem. Those who can't, IG, Instagram. Yeah, 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 yeah. Pushpa, you're actually good, yeah. Okay, so yeah, it looks like an Instagram. I mean, this Instagram frame. Yeah, yeah. My God, wow. Okay, great. So the winner of this question is Pushpa because she said frame. Correct. It is a frame. It is not an IG frame. It's a website frame. Yes, Satila. What's it? Oh, you're clapping. Okay, okay, yeah. Great, great, great. Okay. So this is a wireframe. Okay, wireframe. Write down if you have pen and paper. It's called a wireframe of what? Of website. Does it look like a website or not? Oh, sorry, website. Does it look like a website? Yes or no? See, I drew a little one category here, one category here. Okay, this is let's say I don't know, mobile. Okay, mobiles. This is PC. This is makeup. Woman. This is men. This is woman. Okay, I'm just drawing it. Okay, and this is carousel. Carousel. Okay? And these are picture one, two, three. This is a footer. Okay. Okay. In technical word, anything which is at the bottom of the wireframe is called. Yes, that's correct. It's a website template. Okay. It's not called a template. It's called a wireframe. In tech, it's in the. This is the right word, the right terminology. Okay. So you guys will always say wireframe. Okay. Because you guys are pro, right? So pro will always use pro language. Okay. So wireframe. Okay, so at the bottom of the website, whatever it is, it's called footer. You will never say at the go to the bottom and then check there's a mistake. No, go to the footer and check. If there is a footer, obviously there has to be a head also. Okay, this is a foot, then head means this. There's a small section here. Have you guys noticed ever? It's called header. Header. Okay, like we have margins in the paper. Okay, we have footer and header there in the word when we write documents. Same concept. Okay, header and footer. Okay, clear? So far clear? Yes or no? Everybody, Pushpa, Aban, Nantisilla. Yes, great. So this is a website frame. Okay, now who designs this? Okay, there has to be a guy who designs it, a guy or a girl. The UI developers, they design it. UI developers. Okay, UI devs. Their salary is nothing less than 10 to 12 lakh rupees per month. Sorry, per year. Starting. Okay, freshers, by the way. Why? Why they highly paid? It's a very technical work. It's quite difficult work, but it's damn interesting work. Okay. Now, if your template itself is wrong, no matter how much you do, beautify your work, will it be good? I'll repeat the question. If your template itself is wrong, okay, or your wireframe itself is little little offbeat, or what, not offbeat, a little off track, okay, or it's something which is not very technically feasible, would your website be good, right? Attila says, I guess not. Yeah, yeah, yeah. It's just like if the foundation itself is not good, the building will not be good, right? Some way or the other, you will have some problems, correct? Similarly, wireframe itself is not good. No matter how much beautiful you make the website, it will always crash. It will always fail. SEO will always be down. Okay? That is why it's so important. Now, what is UI? UI stands for user interface. Okay, if somebody wants to take a picture of this, take out your phones and take a picture. That's not a problem. I'm going to remove it, delete it very soon. Shall I delete it? Or somebody can draw better, then fine, go ahead and do it. Okay, this is just for a reference. Okay, so I'm going to write here UI. Yeah, I'm writing with the mouse. Okay, and I don't have a Wacom tablet, so please bear with me. UI stands for user interface. Okay, okay, user interface. Now, user means what? Interface means what? Who can tell me? You remember I told you day one. If there is a technical word, please break down. Okay, always break it down. Then it will make clear sense. Did I? Do you guys remember? Yes, 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 yes. Great. So now who will tell me what is user, what is interface? Somebody, please type, or just unmute yourself and talk. Removed everyone from post mute. You can unmute yourself and talk. Come on, guys. Come on, come on, come on, come on. There's no right answer. There's no wrong answer. Everybody's learning together. So don't be shy. What is a user? Who's a user? Pushpa. User means us. Okay. But you're the developer now. You're the professional, right? You are developing the website. So you're a website developer. Okay. You're a website dev and you're a digital expert. Okay. Understood? Clear? What is your role? Everybody. Okay. You're a dev and you're a digital expert. Now, who's a user then? Clients. Urban says clients. Okay. Anyway, any other guesses? Urban is very close. User, a person accessing the website interface, a platform that allows communication. Wow, very nice. Correct. So basically, clients, Urban said clients, and Attila says the person who's accessed the website. So basically, whoever comes to your website is a user. Okay, it can be a customer, it can be a non-paying customer also. Who's a non-paying customer? Who's just coming doing window shopping? Okay, but that's also a customer, right? One day or the other they'll convert. Correct. So user is somebody who's accessing your website. Okay. Now somebody accessing your website. Okay. Your website, on how many screens are there to access? Yesterday we discussed, yesterday or day before. How many screens are there? Nunki Senla says 3. Attila, how many screens are there? Okay. Everybody? Pushpa, how many screens are there? Great. Okay. What are those? Phone, right? Phone screen, tablet screen, and desktop. Okay. Perfect. Now, yeah, Atila's correct. Tablet, phone. So phone comes first. Okay. So that is the hierarchy: phone, tablet, and desktop. Because small, medium, large. Okay. Because the phone screen is like this, tablet will be like this. Okay, and desktop will be a little bigger than this, like this. Okay. not theta, but it's like this. Okay, answer clear? All right. So now user is, you have understood what's a user. Who is a user? User is somebody accessing a website. Interface means what? Interface means what he looks at first. How does it look like? Okay, correct. The user interface, when he interacts with it, how does it behave? Okay, so just imagine somebody, you see a new car. Okay, Lamborghini released a new car. Okay, but then to get into the car, you have to get into the windows. There are no doors. How would you feel? Will you be comfortable? If there was a car which didn't have a door, okay, let's say this is a car, okay, there's no door here. Only this small window is there. This small window here. Passengers will jump here. The driver will jump here. Okay. Will it be comfortable to drive this car? Hmm? Yes or no? No, right? Why? Because the guy who designed this, okay, did not design the wireframe properly. Okay, he didn't keep user in mind. Okay, he only thought of the interface. Correct? He designed something, right? The interface is designed, but he didn't keep user in mind. He has to also think about user, right? When you open a business, first thing whom you think about? You think about customers, right? Okay, whether it will be good for customers or not, right? That is the same approach we should have for web development and digital technologies also. Who comes first? Customers needs. Customer comes first, right? You're making a website for whom? For customers, not for your own self, right? So if you don't like the color white and black, okay, web colors, you don't like white color and white color and black color, okay, you don't like, but you like purple and you like gold color. Will you make a website which is full of purple and gold color? Yes or no? Will you make? Who will make purple and gold? Just because I like, I'll just because I like that purple and gold color, everything should be purple and gold color. Have you seen in restaurants, especially what happens? People, the owners of the restaurant, okay, they make this mistake. Okay, whatever they like, they put. They don't think about customers, and that's when customer walks in. Okay, they find it a little uncomfortable. Okay, have you seen that? Have you gone to a restaurant where you thought that something could have been better here? Yes or no? So they have thought about interface, they have not thought about user. Okay, so user interface is basically the wireframe, the technology that you use, the look and feel, the schematic that you use. Okay, that is a user interface. Okay, now I'll share my screen here quickly and I'll show you Flipkart. Okay, this is Flipkart. Okay, can you see everyone? Yes, a quick yes, please. Everyone, please, quick yes. Okay, all right, great. So see here, here at the top, they have put a logo. Okay, that's called a site logo. Okay, and you get, the moment you hover over it, there's a small handle. So that shows you that it's a hyperlink. What is hyperlink? What is all these things? We'll discuss later. Here they have put a search bar. Can you see that? You can search your products here. Just imagine if the search bar was here, okay, at the bottom, somewhere in between these lines, search bar was here. Will it be easy for you to search the product? No, right? Okay. So use interface is incorrect. That is why experience is bad. Correct? User experience, UI, UX, right? I'll come to experience part later. But did you understand the interface is incorrect, right? But now, since you have put here, that's great. So now you have thought about user also, and the interface is also working. The login is here. Just imagine if the login was hidden somewhere behind the carousel. Will people be able to log in? No, right? They'll find it difficult. Correct. Similarly, cart is here, and here there's another button which says become a seller, because now Flipkart wants more sellers to come on their platform, right? So come and sell on their platform. So here they put a become a seller. Now just imagine if they had the hidden somewhere inside behind this mobile phone, there was one option said become a seller. Who will find it? It will be quite difficult, right? Keeping in mind they have created this. Now they have created a three dot here where it says notification preference, 24/7 customer service, advertise, download the app. Okay, so these are less priority than these, correct or not? Login is a high priority, cart is a high priority, become a seller is a high priority, and these are less priority, but these are also important. But again, you have to see which one is most important. Fair enough. And then they put here one category here, one category here, so and so forth, right? One carousel here, okay, one container. These are called containers, okay. One container here, there's another one container here, okay. These are containers, okay. Now these are content descriptions, okay. These are all hyperlinked. So what are containers, what is hyperlinking, what is carousel, you have already covered. How to design all this, what is wireframe, don't worry. When we do web development, we'll go through it professionally and very clearly. Okay, fair enough. Everybody understood what is user interface? Okay, user interface is the technology, how fast the wireframe operates. Okay, user interface is placing of the right buttons at the right place, writing the code in such a way that it is very fast. Just imagine this they have created, but the code that they have written is a very heavy code. Okay, I'll show you the code. Okay, everybody can see the code. This is the code for the Flipkart website. Now if I want to create a Flipkart website copy of it, what shall I do? See, now here there's the couple of problems here. See, 125 problems, and there are 10. Chrome may soon delete some state for intermediate websites in recent navigation chain. Deprecated feature used. Okay. Reading cookie in cross site context will be blocked in future Chrome versions. Setting cookie in cross site context will be blocked in future Chrome versions. Okay. So have you ever gone to websites which says we accept all cookies? You have to either accept or decline. Have you seen that? Which cookie are they talking about? Any idea? Chocolate cookie or butterscotch? Which one? Or they're talking about some technology. So what is cookie? How does it work? Okay, so basically cookies are cache files. Okay, cache files. Spelling is this, but I know how to pronounce this. Cache. This is pronounced in cache. There's no other way. It is not catchy or something. Okay, it's cache. Okay, cache files. So cookies are basically cache files. And what are cookies? How does it work? We'll discuss later. That's another ocean on its own. Okay, so we will do that later when we do web development. But so far, you have understood what is user interface. Yes or no? Now, yes, everybody, please type a big yes if you have understood what is the user interface. Great. Atila is the only one who follows because she types big yes, which is great. Big yes is this, capital. A small yes is this. Oh, sorry, this. Anyway, that's not important. What is important is you guys have understood, right? So great. So now you tell me with user interface. Okay, we'll talk now about user experience. UX stands for user experience. Now again, user experience. I'll share my screen. I'll give an example. Mhm. Okay, there you go. Everybody can see the whiteboard. Yep. Yes. No. I'll delete this. All right. Okay. Same. There's a website. I'm just randomly doing it. Okay. Oh, these are pictures. Okay. And here's the login. The login or sign up. So based on your interaction with the website, if you have already signed up, it will ask you to log in. If you have never signed up, it will ask you to sign up first. Yeah, it has happened with you. Yes. Okay. Now here we have login page. Okay. So login button. This is a button. Okay. So login button is here, not somewhere in the footer. Okay, not somewhere here. It is here. So that means my user, as a user, I'm finding it easy to log in. Correct. Have you gone to any website where where you are unable to find how to log in? Have you seen it? Can you give me one example of where you found it very difficult to sign up or log in? Think. Okay, you guys are able to hear me, right? I see no interaction whatsoever. Hello, guys, are you able to hear me? Okay, so okay, great. So please give me an example. Have you ever come across any site where you found it difficult to log in and sign up? Yes or no? Quick. No, no. Okay, fine. Aban says no. Attila says yes. Could you do you remember? PayPal. Okay, okay. PayPal was difficult. Okay, fine, fair enough. Okay, next. I'll give you an example. Okay, the best example that I can think of is a government website, Indian government website, especially. Have you gone to those websites? You agree or not? You go there, you will find information, but how to register, sign up, log in, quite difficult. It's a you have to find where is the login button. There's no consistency across platforms, across different departments of government. There's no consistency of the design. Have you noticed it? Yeah. Why? Because their intention is not to be number one in SEO, because they will get SEO any which ways. They don't care about the traffic because they are not monetizing it, right? It is just a general website for general public to access information. That's all. They don't have intention to sell. They don't have intention for UI UX. That is why they don't pay so much of attention to UI UX also. Nowadays they have started a little bit of attempt at making UI UX better, but 10 years ago it was even more worse. You agree or not? The user interface and the experience for people was horrendous. Yes or no? Yeah, please. Please do. Atila will refresh and join again because she is unable to hear. All right. So, guys, you guys have any problem? Just disconnect and reconnect it again. All right. I hope I'm audible. Yeah. Yeah. You guys can hear me, Abud? Okay. 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 Great. So, do you guys agree that the government websites have nowadays become better in UI UX, but earlier the UI also was bad, the user experience was also bad, correct? So, what is user experience? User experience is Attila is back. All right, Attila, can you hear me? Type in a yes if you can. Okay, great. So, what is user experience? User experience is how a user feels when they come to the website, when they land on your website, when they reach their landing page, your landing page. Okay, so how they feel, what is the color schemes that you're using? Okay, what type of fonts are you using? Okay, are you making it difficult or easy for customers to log in and sign up? Are you making it easy to add it to cart? Okay, This is cart. C-A-R-T. Okay. C-A-R-T. Cart. This is a cart. Okay. So is it easy for people to find one product, add it to cart, and then immediately do payment? So your payment UPI gateway interaction in embedding, okay, is it correct or not? Integration is right or not? Okay. So all these factors affect user experience. You agree? If somebody is ordering something in Amazon or Flipkart, when you order something, first thing what do you check? Okay, apart from checking the reviews and all that, what you also check is how long will it deliver? Okay, how long they will take to deliver that product to you? You check that, yes or no? Right? Why do you do that? Why? Because you want to know when you get the product, so that mentally you're prepared for receiving that package that day. Okay. If they tell you that we'll send you by Saturday, you know for sure Saturday there's a parcel coming, there's a package coming. So subconsciously you are aware of. Just imagine if Amazon never gave you that information. You'll be always anxious. In fact, you will not even order. You'll think that, okay, if I order, I don't know when is I'm going to get it, right? Yes or no? You'll feel like that, yes or no? Okay, great. So these are all the factors which adds value to user experience. So just imagine if there was, while you make a website here, okay, you design a website and then you also put a chatbot here, a WhatsApp button. Okay, is it easy for the customer to click on it and chat with you directly on WhatsApp? Correct, no? Yes or no? Or else if you say, okay, please, this is the number plus 91 1 2 3 4 5 6 10 numbers. Please type hi here and I will respond. Okay. How many people you think will do that? Very less, right? Because people don't want to create, go through all the steps. They want something simple. Okay. Simplicity is the most difficult thing in design. Okay. Write down this one. Okay. Simple design is the most difficult design. Complex though is very easy to make. Simple design is the most difficult design. You guys agree or not? Okay. Being, if you want to create something minimalistic design approach, if you want to do, you really have to think very hard. How do I make it very simple, right? That is a job of a UX designer. UX designer to think what the customers want, what the client wants. If you are working as a web developer, you have to understand UI, you have to understand UX, you have to understand what clients want. At the same time, you have to explain the client how it will benefit the users. In return, it will benefit the organization. Correct? You understood, everyone? You have to understand UI part, UX part. You have to explain it to clients. You have to understand the users, how they will behave, and in return you have to tell them how your design will help the organization in the long run. Okay, clear, everybody? Everybody, is it clear? Please mention yes if it's clear. If it's not, I'll repeat everything again. So what is the most difficult thing in design? Simplicity. Yes, a simple design is the most difficult thing. Okay, when I learned this, okay, that is many years ago. When I learned this, it blew my mind because that is so true. Okay, because everybody can add. Have you ever done this? I don't know, when in school, have you done this assignment where they will ask you to cut images of certain topic? They'll give you a topic, and they'll ask you to do a paste, cut the pictures, paste it on a paper, and bring it and talk about it. Have you guys done it? No. Okay. Okay. Fine. Okay. 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 So in some schools, okay, you'll get an assignment saying that, okay, here's the topic. So my topic was war vehicles, okay, like planes and aircrafts and warships and all that. Okay, anything defense basically. So at that time, what I did was I took a piece of paper, okay, and there was a calendar. We used to get calendar, okay. The calendar was, all the Indian Army defense planes and all. Those who are from Indian Army background, they will know this. Okay, you get calendar with warheads, like basically warships and all that. Yes, yes, no, anybody? Okay, fine. So you used to get calendars. I don't know whether you get calendars nowadays or not. So those calendars. So what I did was I took a piece of paper. I ripped off all the pictures from the calendar and I filled it with pictures. And that too, I used a lot of creativity. What I did was half of the plane will be here, and then the rest of the plane will be here. So you fold it, and the moment it opens, it appears as if it's flying. Okay. So all that crazy thing I did, and I thought I was very good, and I went and submitted. My teacher says, you know, where is the content, where is the work that I asked you to do? That work is you have to also write about that particular topic, and you have to talk about it. Okay, pictures is one two illustrations that you have to put, that's all, right? So I was doing like this. So it's very easy. Then I realized it's very easy for people to just fill up with pictures, colors. You can do it. You can make a very complex design, but to make a simple design, it's very difficult. That is why you will see iPhone has just one simple Apple logo. Everything is white, everything is black, white and black color. Simple. Even their desktop, if you buy iMac, just the screen, wireless keyboard, and wireless mouse. That's all. Nothing else. No cables, no nothing. Right? Obviously, there's one power cable here. That's all. Okay. Do you guys agree that iPhone is actually very simple to use? They have designed it very simple. Do you agree or not? Have you guys used iPod? I used to love iPod. Okay, but the shuffle came, and that was I was literally, uh, you know, I was the biggest fan. Okay, uh, so the shuffle was my thing, and then Nano came. I was like, wow, this is on the next level stuff, right? So, but then iPod Classic. So the moment is because before that I used Sony, okay, players, and before that I used to use this CD players, okay, Walkmans. You guys have used Walkman, Sony Walkman, right? So Sony Walkman was a device where you put the CD and then you put two batteries here, and then connect the earphone and then use it, okay, and listen. And then while walking, it will have anti-shake, so it will not shake. Some of the models will not have anti-shake, so you have to hold it properly so that it doesn't shake, right? So much of trouble, right? Then comes iPod Classic. No, nothing. There's no button. There's just simple one dial. That's all. That does all the work, and it has great quality, great sound, very simple design. So that is why Apple spends a lot of money, okay, and a lot of time doing work developing their UI and UX. Okay, if you are really good UI UX developer, okay, I'm telling you, sky is the limit. Okay, it doesn't matter what your background is or what you have studied or whatnot. If you are really good at UI UX, if you understand, if you can prove it, then you can work in best of the best organizations in the world. All right, understood, everyone? Yes. Mumti says yes, yes, yes. Pushpa, understood? Okay, great. So UI UX is done. So we will definitely touch UI UX, but then this course is not a UI UX course. Okay, UI UX is completely a different ocean altogether. That needs about 6 to 8 months only to study UI UX. Okay, maybe in future I'll introduce UI UX, but not now. Okay, so let me share the screen. And one more thing, I want to let you guys know. Thursday, Friday. Basically, what we will do is Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. So Wednesday we'll do a homework. Thursday I will not give you any homework, and Friday I will not give you any homework. Okay. Why? Because Saturday, Sunday is there. So all Thursday, Friday homework you will do on Saturday and Sunday. Okay. So that you will always every day for on in a week you will touch your laptop and be connected with digital learning. Okay, and your brain and muscle memory will have digital connection. Fair enough. Does that make sense? Is that good? Is that a good practice? Okay, it will not take long. I don't, my intention is not to spoil your weekend. My intention is that you also, even if it's a Sunday or a Saturday, you should always think about your career growth and your learning. Okay, because this is the only 6 7 months that you'll have to learn and then become the best, right? And the only way to do it is make sure that you learn every day, small steps every day. Okay, so if you spend 1 hour, 1.5 hours on a Saturday and a 1.5 hour on a Sunday, you'll be able to finish the entire homework. Okay. After that, you can get on with your life. That shouldn't be a problem. Right? Make sense? Everyone? Yeah. You'll be able to dedicate 1 2 hours on a Saturday and a Sunday as well. Yes or no? For your own learning, for your own benefit. Okay, and then you always remember, okay, gone are those days where you have to value your friends more over than your career. Okay, friends will be there, parties will be there, everything will be there. Okay, but tell them that if it's if there is a plan which is hindering you doing homework, you postpone that plan, but don't postpone the homework. You get my point? You will get enough time to roam around, to have friends and parties and this and that, but then take out at least little bit of time for your own personal growth. Okay, you'll thank me later. Okay, so let's continue with this one. Okay, search parameters. So carousel you've understood, UI UX you have understood. So one of the Photoshop is one of the tool that people use. There's another tool which is used called Figma, Figma. Write down, and that's going to be your homework as well. Okay, so you have to write down everything about UI UX. What is UI? You have to write one page of UI only. Next page you have to write UX. When you talk about UI, you have to give examples, diagrams. You have to write in your own words what you have understood, and you also have to give citations of where you have understood or what particular link you're following to learn to do the research. Okay. Similarly, comes to your user experience. You have to do a brief understanding of what you have understood user experience during the class. Some little bit of diagrams to explain what is user experience, like how I drew. Okay, it doesn't have to be perfect, but a rough sketch will do. And also you have to understand, you have to do research and what is the best practices for user experience in the market right now in 2024, and then what are the citations, like you give citation from which resource you are finding those information, right? After that you also mentioned what type of tools they use, and which tool is paid, which tool is free, and and also when you get time, go to YouTube and type the words in those like keywords like Figma. Okay, and then see the results that comes and watch 1 or 2 videos. Not necessarily that you have to start learning that, just watch and listen to what others have to say. If you listen about the same topic from 10 different people, you'll get 10 different perspectives, right? 10 different ideas, and then you will be well equipped to create your own idea as well. Make sense? Everyone, make sense? Yes or no? Understood the homework? Okay, one topic I'll cover one more, and then from Monday we'll start digital asset management. Right? So search parameters. So search parameters is basically, you understood what is search query, right? Everybody remember search query? Similarly, search parameters is how are you searching? Okay. Now, when you go to airport and then you want to ask about the flight, do you say a specific keyword or do you start giving them history? You'll give keywords, right? Hey, when is this flight? This from here to here I'm traveling. Give me this information of this flight only, right? What if you say, can you please tell me all the flights which are traveling today? Then what will happen? What will be the result? The result will be that that person will start narrating your, I mean, it will not, they will not, but I'm just saying, okay, that will give you irrelevant information. Agree or not? Everyone. So if you're trying to find a specific flight information, you'll go and ask specific flight number, you'll give the number and you'll ask, okay, that specific keyword, okay, a search parameter, okay, or is also known as a query parameter or a search query parameter, refers to a specific element or criteria that is included in the search. Okay, now I'll share my screen. Okay, so let's read the this one first. Okay, the search parameter are commonly used in search engines, databases, and API calls to enable users to specify their search requirement and retrieve most relevant information. Okay, now please see here. Okay, let's take an example of Flipkart. Okay, Flipkart, it's, I have a keyword, it says mobile. Okay, so I'll put mobile, it will give me all the details of mobile. Okay, but if I put mobile 5G and put inverted comma, see, when I put these parameters, these are parameters. Okay, these inverted things are parameters. Okay, you can also put brackets, but bracket doesn't work. This is the one. Okay, there are lot many parameters. You have to do search and you have to let me know. Okay, so when I put this in brackets or in quotations or in commas or whatever it is, whatever you call it, then you get specific results to it. Do you see? The front page is all filled with 5G. You agree or not? Yes, everyone. So that is a specific search that I've done, a specific result that I want. Okay. Similarly, let's go to Google. Mm, If I want, uh, let's say, what do I want? Cars. Okay. So all the website which has top SEO will come first here. Okay. Okay. Now if I put inverted and I say, oh, not black color, but let's say SUV cars. Okay. Okay. Then it says only SUV. Can I say SUV, 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 SUV? It also gives the images of SUV, 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 right? SUV, SUV, SUV. See, the SUV car price. People also search for SUV car price, SUV cars, car list, SUV, SUV. Do you ever see? Do you see a small car here in the entire first page? Do you see a small car? Yes or no? The entire page is filled with only SUV. Correct? Clear? So search parameters, you put those parameters if you want to search something specific. Okay, fair enough. Okay, let's say AI technologies, AI tech, and then I want .pdf. Okay. I put .pdf in this one. So now it will show me all the PDFs. One research gates. I've got a PDF. I've got a PDF here. I've got a PDF here. I've got a PDF here. So if you want to read about certain topic and if you want to find the PDF is basically a file, right? Adobe file, okay, a document viewer. So whoever has uploaded a PDF file, this Google will search PDF and give it to me. Okay, see. But if I type AI tech books and don't put anything, I'll get random information. Okay, so I'll have to spend time, waste time. But if I do PDF, this one, like this, it always gives me PDF. Okay, so yeah, this is a PDF. I can download or whatever. Okay, this is another PDF. White House report. आ गया? So now your client says, I want 1,000 PDFs related to one this particular topic. Okay, how will you search? You will put search parameters. Okay, everybody agreed? Understood? Clear? Please confirm. Please type in a yes if you have understood and if it's clear. Okay, great. So you have understood your homework. Your homework is UI UX, everything about UI UX. Okay, and everything about search parameters. How many search parameters are there? What are there? What is the use of certain search parameter? Now you don't have to give a diagram in search parameter. That's fine, but at least write it in your own words and please make it a comprehensive list. Okay, and but also read as much as possible other places. Just go to Google and type compare sorry, so what are the different types of search parameters, enter. Okay, and then or else just go to Google. I'll share it with you. If I were you, I'll type like this because I'm going to use search parameter only to search parameters. Okay, search parameters, there you go. Right, so now all the answers that I have is related to search parameter only. Okay, whenever you want to search something, just put the search parameters. How many types of search parameters are there? What is there? You have to find out. Write a big document. Okay, I want minimum one page document. Okay, I don't want 2 or 3 lines anymore. Okay, at least it has to be one page. If you are writing in a notepad, one page. If you are writing in word pad, then it's one page. Or if you're making it on MS Word, then new document. Okay, one document. Fair enough. Is it clear? Only no, not everything together, but only UI UX one page each. Okay, and then search parameter one page each. So I'm expecting 3 pages. How many pages is homework? 3. Okay, clear everyone? Is it doable? Is it too much to ask for? Only 3 pages in 3 days. Friday, Saturday, Sunday. I should give you more homework. No? Yes or no? Who wants more homework? Okay, so just stick with 3. Okay, Friday you finish one page, Saturday you finish one page, Sunday you finish one page, submit it. Okay, but if you submit faster, I'll be able to review faster and let you know. Okay, fair enough. Okay, great, wonderful. All right, so any questions, please ask me now before we end the call. Any questions, any doubts, anything that you think should be repeated, please let me know. So far, whatever you have understood in 1 week, how much we covered, right? You started with absolutely no knowledge about HTTPS, SSL parameters, search query, data center, but 1 week you have learned so much. So congratulations. Okay, you agree or not that you can also learn faster? Yeah, yes or no, everybody? Great. So any questions, please ask me now. We'll wait for 1 minute and then if there are no questions, we'll wind up. No questions? Pushpa? Yeah, tell me, what is the question? Do you have any question or no question? Okay, okay, all right. We'll connect later after the call. Okay, so we'll discuss more. After the call, I'll call, we'll connect Atila as well. We'll connect and we'll solve that problem. Aban also, we will connect after the call, okay, to solve your technical problem. Numti Singla shouldn't be of any worry because that's already solved. And then I'll speak with Nara as well, and then we'll see. Okay, great, perfect. If you guys don't have any questions, please feel free to drop in a message whenever you want me to get on a call. Okay, if you want me to give you a call up immediately, just message me. Please message me, everyone who wants a call from me. Otherwise, I might be busy somewhere else. Okay, so thank you so much again for joining in, and thank you for learning. And you have a great day ahead and great weekend ahead, and enjoy. All right, and always learn. Happy learning. Thank you.